Hello everyone, MPX Auto is Jim. Here we go. Hino 300/92121 MY22 with steering wheel control and with the factory 4 surrounding camera, and now we build for it a very special plug and play clip-on system of 9-inch premium with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Very fast, very fast. But the more important thing is we want to tell you we already been able to connect our system to this truck to retain factory's steering wheel control, of course. Here to answer the phone and control the volume from steering wheel. But more importantly, it is actually controlled with our system via a very special design 4-way controller, and it has camera turn on demand. All right, look at this. That's the left side camera. This is the right side camera. This is the reverse camera, which actually will turn on in the reverse as well when you reverse. Now that is the front camera. Look, I turn on the headlight so you can verify. Yes, that is the headlight and that is the front camera. So basically our system design is very special to retain all the factory camera in this truck into our new system, and we even can let it be controlled by on-demand controller as well. And we already working to get the factory reverse camera turn on instantly when we reverse. That's the reverse. And now it actually will have the capacity to turn on the camera when we turn on the signal. But we are working back on it once more time to make sure that the camera on the left and right will respond well to our system here. But other than that, we are very happy to release the truck right now for the system connected. And yep, lovely. It is something we built premium 4-camera surrounding connect and fully independent and manually control and show up every single camera on demand on the screen, and full resolution of the factory camera on the screen. Okay, so here we go. It's all about there, and yep, we love that. All right, so thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.